This is a stock screener program, and we're using Pandas and YFinance and Matplotlib, and the number of minutes in a day is 380 minutes for the stock market. The maximum that the YFinance can read. So we create some moving averages, which is the DF10 and DFMA10 and 20, and a close price, and we'll drop the NAs right here, and then further down we're going to name them in the data frame, the ones we're using right here. So, and for here, so we're going to go through the length of the data frame, and each time this prints out the count of the day, and we can get a indicator right here. Let me see if I can move this back up. The maximum counts. So on this particular stock, it was 344 out of 380. So not every minute of the day the stock is traded. And we'll get let me get the Matplotlib up here. So it's an indication, it's Tuya. So it's an indication that this is the percentage of the price is rising faster than the 3.5% that I named in here. Back here, let me see if I can get that down further. And so down here, yeah, 0.15%. So FFF is 0.15%. The stock is rising faster than that. And EEE is the first minute from 30 minutes ago, minus 30 minutes ago. So if the EE, that the price is rising faster than 1.5%, it will allow it to, and then it will allow it to be recorded. And if the moving averages are the last 15 minutes are 10 is over the 20, they will append, and then you will get that down here with the Matplotlib. It will show up. So these are all the times where the price was rising faster than 1.5% each minute. Anyways, and you could tell by right here, these very ends right here, and in the last 30 minutes is rising more than 1.5%. But the whole goal here is to catch this whole trend moving upwards, and that's what the stock screener's for, is catch that trend moving upwards. This is kind of an odd one to use. See if we can go on to the next one, see what we get. Okay, this is stock Sophie. So it did catch it on that upward trend, and this one moment in that whole time frame where the price was moving up faster than 1.5% per minute. So that's it. That's what we're going to try out on the stock market to see if we can catch these stocks in the morning. Good luck.